What's the best advice for a first-time real estate investor? Anonymous says, an investor without any prior experience in real estate might get carried away and make uninformed choices. While a smart investment has the potential to change her lives, however, if you are a first-time investor in real estate, you must consider the following tips while investing in your property. 1. While investing in real estate, first thing you should look into is for location. Consider the following questions like, where is the property located? Is the neighborhood safe? Are there transportation facility available? Is there any demand for the property in that location? If yes, it creates demand for that good location. You may have to pay a little more, but buying property in a good location means you have many more profitable options in real estate. 2. Valuation process of real estate determines the economic value of a real estate investment. There are methods of assessing the value of a property. Valuation gives useful insights to both buyers and sellers on how to estimate the approximate worth of a house. While sellers can conclude where to set the price for their property, buyers can evaluate if their investment is worthy. It also includes insurance premium and taxation, etc. 3. Cash flow and profit opportunities can be determined by the purpose and use of the real estate investment of the property, for e.g. cash flow used in properties that produce income, through rental real estate, rental apartments, etc. The more properties you buy, there are opportunities that you can save faster and achieve your real estate profit investing goals. 4. When you are assured about the investment, be wary of the mortgage loans, whichever suits you best. Be aware about the terms and conditions and other charges imposed by financiers. Search around and bargain for a better deal. Lower interest rates, lower insurance premiums or processing charges. As possible, look out for pricing of new construction versus existing before investing in real estate. Customize with the amenities according to your needs. One such site I've recently across named Shelton. They are into real estate property and rental services. They provide verified properties within Delhi, including few more cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, etc. They have value-added services and premium plans for their clients with guidance to loan services without paying any commission or brokerage charges, with fewer documents for verification of loan approvals. For more information about Shelton, you can visit to their site. Emily Holzman says, as a first-time investor, you may be wondering what to do and where to invest. Whether you plan to fix it up and sell it or hold on to it and rent it out, there are a few things you should consider. While you may be tempted to invest in a property for sale near your home, it is best to look beyond that neighborhood to a more promising area. Investing in property management resources will provide you with great opportunities. Radhika Chawla says, are you planning to invest in real estate but scared a bit as it is your first time? If yes, then I will let you know some of the basic tips that you must keep in mind while investing in real estate for the first time. Deciding to invest in real estate requires a lot of deep research and mental preparation, but yes, you will succeed for sure at the end if you keep the below-mentioned tips in mind. 1. Learn to make sacrifices. 2. Get to know your market well. 3. Connect with local investors. 4. Anticipate the rewards and risks of every purchase. 5. Get your finances in order. 6. It's completely okay to start small. 7. Scout out a location. 8. Read books before investing. 9. Adopt a business owner mindset. Apart from the tips stated above, you as a first-time real estate investor must thoroughly research before investing in any property. One cannot guarantee success on the first go, but believe me, with these tips you can surely avoid being unsuccessful in investing for the first time. I hope you find my answer helpful. Also, don't forget to upvote. Thanks in advance, smiley face. Thanks for watching our video on what's the best advice for a first-time real estate investor?